Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is a tutorial on a Vitacci 150cc scooter, moped, call it what you want. I bought this thing for Christmas. Yeah, bought this thing for Christmas. My wife was upset, to say the least. I've seen all kind of videos on YouTube about it. Well, not about this particular one. All kind about Chinese scooters, pros and cons. But nobody came out with a video describing these unique issues that's going on with this particular one in this particular city. Stay tuned for more details and I'll go over it. Once again, it's a 150cc Chinese scooter, Vitacci 300 or Vitacci Challenger. Boom, boom. About boom, 417 miles. I don't know why they be saying 70 or 80 on the dash when it ain't supposed to go to 55. But I done got it faster than that, and I'm trying to get it right so I can go even faster than that. Mess around and kill myself. But there's all kind of things that's going on with this bike. A little bit of buyer's remorse. I'm having a hard time finding mechanics for it. I'm having a hard time finding parts and for body work. Check that out. Low emissions, huh? Saving money on gas. As you can see, it's March 5th, I think. And I've already cracked it. I had a broken reflector, but I replaced that just yesterday or the other day. I had to go and find a scrapyard that just happened to have bikes and one fit. And then it had these little guards that went here to protect your hands, but I broke them too. I put that radio on there in that bag. That's for holding drinks and stuff. My plan is to do the DoorDash in it. I got insurance and everything through Geico. I'll let you know about that one too in a further video. And there's an issue about having a motorcycle endorsement, but not here in Colorado neither. I'm trying to find out if I could drive it on the sidewalk, like a bicycle, or on a bicycle path. Colorado got a gang of bicycle paths that's beautiful, and I'd like to take a ride and explore it. So, stay tuned, and I'll let you know all about it.